What up, what up? I'm Courtney Williams, pro basketball player.
My name is Melinda. I'm a pro beauty director at Sephora.
Skill swap?
Skill swap.
All right, coach. So I'm on your court now. So what's something I could do for after workouts and games and things of that nature?
Yeah, we'll keep it simple. 2 steps. The first one is the SOS from Tower 28. I love this stuff. It's antibacterial, it soothes the skin. You can just give yourself a few spritz. It's refreshing too. Like when you get off the court, a little refresh, yeah. And then you mentioned your skin feels kind of dry. You're losing a lot of hydration out there. This Summer Fridays cushion cream is gonna be amazing for that. Just push hydration back into your skin. So you can pull a little bit out on your finger.
And you said how I do
Yeah, let's
it?
split it.
Split it.
And then you can kind of tap it on your cheeks and on your forehead. There you go. It's cute.
Okay.
And the goal is just soft, circular, upward motions.
Up, circle.
Yeah, there you go.
This feels amazing, I'm not gonna lie. It feel light, it feel cool, and I feel moisturized.
Yeah, you got a post-skincare glow.
I guess that's why you get beauty from people who get beauty.
Now you gotta teach me how to dribble.
Gotcha.